It's all good, I'm here. I was just checking out to see if anyone else wanted to sell because this awesome neighborhood, it's a place to be. 26 minutes from the CBD, walk to the train station, awesome bushland outlook. I didn't even know this place existed. Anyway, let's check out this awesome home. I'm actually impressed. This is a good floor plan, 2 aircons, solar, double garage with remote, paint's in good nick, carpets, they need to go. Anyway, check out this big outdoor area. Massive, and there's actually a yard. Wow. A yard and a garden shed. Family's gonna love it, tenants are gonna absolutely love it. We're close to everything. Email me, Facebook me, call me, put an offer in sight unseen. That's what everyone's doing. You're gonna love this one.